Hi everybody, my name is Nick Cook, and today we'll be talking about reasons you should recycle. The world produces roughly 350 million tons of plastic each year. Almost half of the plastic ever produced has been made since the year 2000. Nearly 40% of the plastic produced around the world is used for single-use packaging, such as water bottles, shipping protection, or cat litter and laundry detergent containers. 8 million tons of plastic waste ends up in the ocean each year. Plastic waste that finds its way to the ocean usually ends up in one of the 5 accumulation zones, the largest of these being the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. This floating pile of garbage is twice the size of Texas and holds 80 million tons of plastic. Of the 180 trillion pieces of plastic that make up this floating island of trash, many are microplastics and fishing nets. These are what pose the greatest risk to marine wildlife. Animals can mistake the small, colored pieces of plastic for food, and sea turtles can get tangled up in the fishing nets. Not only is recycling good for the environment, but it is also good for the economy. In 2016 alone, the recycling industry accounted for 757,000 jobs, $36.6 billion in wages, and $6.7 billion in tax revenue. By recycling, you can also conserve energy used in the manufacturing and extraction process of these materials. By eliminating the manufacturing and extraction process, recycling 1 ton of plastic can save the amount of energy 2 humans consume in 1 year. Plastic is made from petroleum or oil derivatives. A large amount of petroleum is used to produce plastic. Recycling plastic could reduce oil consumption by up to 40%. To put this in perspective, 1 ton of plastic equals about 16 barrels of crude oil. As someone getting their associate's degree in petroleum technology and pursuing a career path in the oil industry, I still believe it is very important to recycle plastic, not only for the environment, but so we have plenty of oil reserves for the future. Recycling plastic not only helps eliminate the physical pollution around the world, it also reduces the amount of greenhouse gases produced in the manufacturing process. This leads to cleaner air and slows down global warming. So with all this in mind, I strongly urge every one of you to recycle as many things as you possibly can. This can range from paper, plastic, or metal cans. Every bit makes a difference, and you are not only cleaning up the environment, but you are preserving it for many, many generations to come.